By the end of this module, you should be able to define Combi gas boilers, identify the main components of a Combi gas boiler, and identify the defining characteristics of a Combi gas boiler.
A combi gas boiler is a type of boiler that can provide hot water on demand, rather than storing it in a tank or cylinder. This hot water can be used for your heating, appliances and taps. It is called a combi gas boiler because it is a single unit that serves two combined functions: heating and hot water. To help deliver hot water even more quickly, modern combi gas boilers also have a built-in preheat system. This explains why you can have a hot shower almost instantaneously. This is a small reservoir of water that is always kept at a certain temperature and means that you will instantly have hot water when you turn on a tap. It is difficult to physically differentiate the combi gas boiler from the other types of gas boilers. One easy way to do it is to open the unit up. A combi gas boiler pump is located inside the boiler instead of outside. A combi also has two heat exchangers as mentioned in the previous topic. The main components of a gas boiler include burner, heat exchanger, expansion tank, pump, thermostat, ignition system, gas valve. Flue, supply lines, fan, and sensors. In this topic, we'll look at the following aspects of the combi gas boiler: suitability, instant hot water, space-saving design, and efficiency. Combi gas boilers are ideal for smaller households where space may be an important consideration. This is because combi gas boilers may not be able to meet the hot water demands of large homes with multiple bathrooms. Combi gas boilers heat water directly from the mains, so there is no need for a separate hot water tank. This means that hot water is available on demand, making it an ideal choice for those who require instant hot water. Combi gas boilers do not require a separate hot water cylinder or cold water supply tank, making them ideal for smaller households where space may be an important consideration. A combi gas boiler is also a compact system, meaning that it does not take up much space in the home. Combi gas boilers have an impressive efficiency rating of 90 to 94%, outperforming conventional boilers and older heating systems. This rating is higher than that of conventional boilers and older heating systems, which can devote around 55% of their energy to central heating. In summary, combi gas boilers are known for their space-saving design, high efficiency, and the ability to provide instant hot water directly from the mains. They're ideal for smaller households but may not meet the demands of larger homes with multiple bathrooms.